Hello everyone, it's Aga Mirkowska here, and today I have for you a product film, and the product I chose is Acrylic Inks by 13 Arts. We have two types of acrylic inks. One of them are without glitter, there is white one and the black one, and the second one are with glitter, and we have a lot of different colors like blue, pink, gold or gray one. These are new bottles which are glass. Before, this product was in plastic bottles, and as you can see, I have a lot of these products for a long time and nothing happened with that. The the bottles, as I said, are glass, and inside there is a glass pipette to put acrylic inks, for example, on chipboards. So this is the tip number one. You can paint the chipboards using acrylic inks. I am using the pipette to do this, and if I put too much acrylic ink on the chipboard, I have to wipe it down before it dried. If it dried, it is, you cannot wipe it out. So when it dries, you have beautiful glitter painted chipboard. As you can see, this happy text is dried. You can also use the acrylic inks to make glitter spaces inside layouts, to paint flowers with it and make your work shine. This orange glitter looks like a little bit like a rust, so this is the rust space. As you can see, when you do splashes with this glitter, they are not flat. If you want to do splashes, you can of course use the pipette, but the splashes are not precise, I would say. You can also use a lot of different brushes, which you can also buy in store, smaller one or bigger one. The splashes are different, using different brushes. So if you use the small one, the splashes will be smaller, and after drying, these droplets are not flat. So it is the huge pros by acrylic inks. You don't have to mix it with water or with something else. It's really good for splashes. You can also use, of course, the designed for splashes brush, which is also available at store. All of the links are given in the description of the film. When you see that some white medium are visible in the bottles, you have to shake the acrylic inks and mix the white thing with a glitter. Thank you very much for the film. Bye bye.